So here's the first example of using proportionality. The formula for the kinetic energy of an object is E equals 1/2 mv squared. We're first told to show that energy has units kilograms meter squared per second squared, and then we have a second question on proportionality. Assume we have a constant mass. If the velocity increases from v to 2v, by what factor does the energy change? So if you'd like to give this problem a try, you can. Pause the video, and I will go through the solution now. So a 1/2 mv squared, mass is in kilograms, and v is velocity, so it's in meters per second. Again, using a distributive law, this square can go in with the meters and the seconds to get kilogram meter squared per second squared. And that's been proven. Now the second one, the first time we have velocity v. So v is v. So we get a 1/2 mv squared as our first energy. Now the second energy, we get v is 2v. So essentially, we have a 1/2 m times 2v all squared. Now an intermediate step from here would be to write a 1/2 m times 4v squared, which you can write as 4mv squared over 2, which can then be written as just 2mv squared. Now the factor by which it changes is just e2 over e1, which is 4. So if the velocity increases by a factor of 2, then the energy increases by a factor of 4. So if we have a constant mass, the energy will go up as the velocity goes up. So energy is proportional to the square of the velocity. So the more you increase the energy, the faster the velocity is going to have to increase along with it, or vice versa. So with the squares, it can be quite substantial by the factors that you increase it by, because the values are getting squared. But it's just physics. It's just how it is sometimes.